The time has finally come. Tiana's Bayou Adventure opens in Magic Kingdom on June 28th. If you're dying to experience the newest Disney World attraction, then stay tuned because things have gotten pretty complicated these days at Disney. There are only two ways you can ride Tiana's, and hopping in a traditional standby queue isn't one of them. Well, at least not yet. Don't worry, I'm going to break it all down for you. So let's dive in. Tiana's Bayou Adventure, inspired by Disney's The Princess and the Frog movie, takes the place of Splash Mountain. This water ride will take you on a magical journey through the bayou with Princess Tiana and her friends as they prepare for a spirited celebration during Mardi Gras. So how do you get on this brand new ride? First up, join the virtual queue. A virtual queue lets you reserve a spot in line without physically waiting. Here's how it works. Disney World guests can request to join the virtual queue via the My Disney Experience app at one of two times. The first time is at 7 a.m., and you can join the queue from anywhere. Your next chance is at 1 p.m. It's important to note that you must be inside Magic Kingdom to join the queue at 1 o'clock. Now, the virtual queue is subject to availability, so if you want to ride Tiana's or join really any Disney virtual queue, here's some pro tips. Update your My Disney Experience app to the latest version. Check that you have a strong internet connection. Make sure you're connected to the rest of your party in the My Disney Experience app as friends and family, so when you confirm your party, everyone will be able to ride together. And be ready to refresh the app at 7 a.m. sharp. Set an alarm for a few minutes before 7 so you can't miss the first opportunity to get in that line. Rapidly tap on refresh starting around 20 seconds before 7 a.m. Congratulations, you joined the virtual queue. Now what? You'll get a boarding group number and an estimated return time. But remember, even with a boarding group, riding isn't guaranteed due to availability. Once your group is called, you'll have 1 hour to get in line. Don't be late, or you might miss your chance to journey down the bayou. Something else important to note here, too. Each guest can join the virtual queue for Tiana's only once per day, and you can only hold one virtual queue at a time. Now here's the second way to ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Through Disney Genie Plus service. Tiana's Bayou Adventure will have a Lightning Lane entrance for guests, but only for guests that purchase Disney Genie Plus service through the My Disney Experience app. Genie Plus helps you bypass the standby lines by using shorter Lightning Lane entrances. Check the app at midnight on the day of your visit for pricing and availability. Midnight is the soonest you can purchase Genie Plus for your park visit that day. When the clock strikes midnight, especially in the first few months after Tiana's Bayou Adventure opens, Genie Plus is likely to sell out quickly. Now, you can make your first Lightning Lane selection at 7 a.m. on the day of your visit. Your first selection should be Tiana's, as again, you might not be able to ride it if you don't snag that Lightning Lane at your first opportunity to do so. And remember, the Lightning Lane for Tiana's Bayou Adventure will only be included in Genie Plus. It won't be available for individual Lightning Lane purchases. To sum it up, you can join the free virtual queue at 7 a.m. from anywhere or at 1 p.m. if you're inside Magic Kingdom, or you can purchase Disney Genie Plus service and have access to the Lightning Lane. With these tips, you're on your way to experiencing Tiana's Bayou Adventure and winning your Disney vacation. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more Disney tips and tricks. Have the best day ever.